Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Welcome to class 6. Today is our science class. So students, open your books and come on the page number 12. The topic is respiratory system. Respiration is the process by which food is oxidized in the body cells to produce energy. Oxygen is taken into the body from the air and carbon dioxide is given out. ऑक्सीजन हम इनहेल कर रहे हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गिवन आउट. इट इज़ कंपोज ऑफ द नोज, विंड पाइप एंड ट्रैकिया, ब्रोंकाई, ब्रोंक्यूल्स एंड एयर सैक्स आर एल्व्यूलाई. प्रोसेस ऑफ रिस्पायरेशन. सांस लेने का मतलब कैसा है कि एयर इज़ टेकन और इनहेल्ड बाय द नोज. इट पासेस थ्रू द विंड पाइप, ब्रोंकाई एंड ब्रोंक्यूल्स एंड इज़ डिलीवर्ड टू द एयर सैक्स आर एल्व्यूलाई. The walls of the alveoli are thin and moist and are surrounded by blood capillaries so that gaseous exchange can take place easily. Oxygen is absorbed by the red blood cells in the capillaries and is taken to the cells of the body. The food present in the cells is oxidized and energy is produced. This energy is used by the body for performing various activities. As a result of oxidation, carbon dioxide is produced in the cells. This is absorbed by the blood and carried to the lungs, from where it is breathed out or exhaled. In the table, gases: inhaled air, exhaled air. Oxygen 21%, exhaled 16%. Carbon dioxide 0.04%, exhaled 4%. Nitrogen 79%, exhaled 79%. Water vapors very little, exhaled a lot. Come on the page number 13. Circulatory system. Circulation of important materials around the body takes place through the circulatory system. The parts of the circulatory system are the heart, arteries, capillaries and veins. Number 1 is the heart. The heart is a muscular organ found in the center of the chest. It has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are artery, are thin walled, while the lower 2 chambers are ventricles, are thick walled. By the pumping action of the heart, the deoxygenated blood is circulated to all parts of the body, and the deoxygenated blood from the cells is taken to the lungs for removal of carbon dioxide and for getting fresh air. Second one is the artery. An artery is a blood vessel which takes blood away from the heart to an organ. For example, the renal arteries takes blood to the kidneys. Next one is the vein. A vein is a blood vessel that takes blood from an organ to the heart. For example, the renal vein brings deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Capillary. A capillary is a thin walled blood vessel which forms a connection between an artery and a vein in an organ. Next topic is the digestive system. Digestion is the process by which insoluble foods such as proteins, fats and carbohydrates are broken down by the action of enzymes into simple soluble substances. अब इसे देखेंगे इनसे कौन से parts of the digestive system are the mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. First one, the mouth contains teeth, tongue and saliva. The teeth help to chew food and break it into small pieces. The tongue mixes the chewed food with saliva. Saliva is a watery liquid secreted into the mouth by glands, providing lubrication for chewing and swallowing. Saliva contains a chemical substance or enzyme which starts the digestion of starches by turning them into simple sugars. You also see the diagram of the digestive system, in which mouth, liver, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine and rectum has been labeled. Next one is the food pipe or esophagus. खुराक की जो नाली है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करें. फूड फ्रॉम द माउथ पासेज इनटू द एसोफेगस फ्रॉम वेयर इट एंटर्स द स्टमक. खुराक जो है वो मुंह से गुजर कर एसोफेगस में जाती है. उसके बाद वो खुराक नाली से गुजरते हुए उसके बाद वो स्टमक में हो जाती है. स्टमक इज़ अ मस्कुलर बैग विच स्टोर्स फूड फॉर समटाइम्स gastric juice, a colorless fluid secreted by glands lining the side of the stomach, acts on protein and changes it into the digestible form. Small intestine, the partially digested food passes into the small intestine where bile from the liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas mix with it and digest it completely so that it can be fully absorbed into the blood. Digested food is absorbed by blood capillaries in the finger-like projections or villi food in the small intestine. It is taken to the liver from where it is sent further to the cells and tissues. Excess food is stored in the liver. Large intestine, food from the small intestine passes into the large intestine or colon where water and salts are absorbed. The undigested food remains in the large intestine for some time, after which it is expelled from the body through an opening called the anus. So students, come on the page number 18. You have done the question number A, B and C. The next one is the question number D. What is respiration? Name the parts of the human respiratory system. On the page number 12, this is the answer. Respiration is the process by which food is oxidized in the body cells to produce energy. Oxygen is taken into the body from the air and carbon dioxide is given out. It is composed of the nose, windpipe or trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and air sacs or alveoli. This is the answer of the question number D. Now come on the page number 18. The next question is describe the structure of the human heart. Now come on the page number 13. The heart is a muscular organ found in the center of the chest. It has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are artery are thin walled, while the lower 2 chambers are ventricles are thick walled. By the pumping action of the heart, the oxygenated blood is circulated to all parts of the body, and the deoxygenated blood from the cells is taken to the lungs for removal of carbon dioxide and for getting fresh oxygen. Artery, vein and capillary, these all the headings are included in the answer of question number E. Now come on the page number 18. What is digestion? Where does digestion of food take place in humans? Come on the page number 13. Digestive system. Digestion is the process by which insoluble foods such as proteins, fats and carbohydrates are broken down by the action of enzyme into simple soluble substances. And come on the page number 14 at the last. This is the answer of question number F. You write down the question answers on your notebook. Read them and learn by heart. You have done the question number D, E and F on your notebooks. So this is the end of our lesson. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you.